If you want to create stunning AI videos using Seedance 2.0, you are in the right place. Today, I will introduce you a new platform that lets you create AI videos using Seedance 2.0 model. And I will walk you through the complete process of generating AI cinematic videos. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own videos using Seedance 2.0. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this particular video, I will be sharing with you or introducing you to a new AI platforms that allows you to generate AI videos using Seedance 2.0 model. Now, let's dive into it. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and do drop a comment on the comment section. Now, let's dive into it immediately. I decided to use phone to do this. Now, if you go to your browser, either any browser, your phone, your laptop, whichever device you have that has browser, right? Then you type in thank you AI. Yes, type in thank you AI. All right. So I have done that using my phone. This particular one, you click on it, it opens up. This is how the first interface looks like. Just take your time and go through this platform. Okay, whatever device you have, just follow the process. Access the browser, type in thank you AI, and it takes you to this place. Okay, so I'm using phone. This is where it took me to. Take your time and go through the platform. All right, go through it, scroll up and see what you can do on this platform. There is Seedance on it. There's other video generation. You can actually access other video generation, Clean AI using this platform. Okay, but first let's click on start creating free, or on the top right hand side you can start creating. Okay, it takes you to this place. All right, this is another interface which you equally go through it. Now right here you get to see Seedance 2.0 down here, marketing video, advertising video. These are some of the things this particular platform allows you to generate. Okay, you can generate any kind of video on this platform. You can see cinematic studio. You can equally generate images. Okay, you can use ChatGPT to generate images here. You can do Marketing Studio here and the rest of them, but just go through it, okay? So you click on Start Creating. It takes you here. Now, below it, you see Sign In. Please do sign in if you have not signed in, all right? You click down here. You'll be asked to sign in, which you can sign in using Google, or you just go through with the email. All right, but I will go through with the Google. I will click on continue with Google. Okay, now you sign in. Now I have signed in. Immediately you sign in, it opens up properly. This is how it is. Okay, there is agent aspect of it, there's image aspect of it, that is the image generation, there is video generation. And right now I am on video generation. Okay, I am on video generation, and automatically it is actually on Seedance. Okay, once you put it on video, it takes you to Seedance. Now click here. All right, you see these are all the AI video generators tools that are on this platform that it allows you to generate your AI videos here. Now our interest is on Seedance 2.0 fast. Click on it. Okay, let's zoom it in. Now you see I have 100 up there. Immediately you sign in on this platform, you're given 100. All right, immediately you sign in. Now whatever ratio you want, up to 1080p. All right, whatever resolution and ratio. Now the duration of a video can go as much as 15 seconds. The duration of your video can go as much as 15 seconds. So key into it, all right? Come here, make sure it is on Seedance 2.0, any other AI tool you want, okay? But we are going for Seedance. You can do Seedance Mini, you can do Seedance Fast, whichever one, but we are going for Seedance Fast, all right? Make sure it is one video generation here, all right? And here is just for you to indicate the duration you want. All right, now having done all that, if you choose to input, use an image, all right, you have already generated image, you can do that. They have provision for 3 image generation, but I just pasted my prompt. Okay, I just pasted a video prompt. This is a video prompt. All right, I will click, just go through it. Like I said, if you want to use an image, you can use an image, but I just decided to do this, show you with a video prompt. You clicked here. Okay, immediately you click on it, it starts generating your video. Now if this pops up, just click on maybe later, or you can join, but you can click on maybe later. Now my video is down here, it is generating. This is it, generating. One thing I'll tell you is this video generation takes time. You have to give it time to generate your video. That is the one thing I would tell you. So you allow it to generate your video, and it doesn't even take up to a minute. Okay, your video will be ready. All right, we are almost there. We are almost there. Now if you watch, immediately I log into this platform, they gave me free credit, which I'm using to do this generation. Now our video is ready. I will play it right here so you see what we generated. At the same time, I'll play it at the end of this video. Now you see it. When it comes to those unrealistic videos, Seedance does it very well. Like video scenes that you'll be wondering how was it done, Seedance does it very well. All right, so do watch the video we generated. Click on the download it. You can see I just downloaded it. There is no watermark. Just watch what we generated. You see there's no watermark.